2, 3, 4, 5. Look all the way there. All the way beautiful. You see these footsteps here that you're seeing? They are all carved out of the rock. You see? They are not cemented steps, but they are naturally built from the rock. Yeah, no? There, he's coming. It's just a beautiful water, river, and of course a beautiful forest. Look at it. Like I am telling you, everywhere you go in Meghalaya, it'll give you different vibes, different kind of beauty. And then you should get out of your house, go explore, see the different beauty of the nature. You just don't know how blessed we are. I mean, just look at this. It's awesome. All the shoes are wet. Look at it. Oh. See? There's this view. It's very beautiful, peaceful, and foggy. Look at this. And we just came from down there, and there's a river stream. Just too beautiful. And you see, there's a small village with like very less houses. Oh, I think that's the village we came from. Yeah, that is the one. It's beautiful, where the kids were playing. And look at how beautiful these hills. Everything is so beautiful. Look at it. Wow, look at how beautiful it is. Very beautiful. Everything. Yeah, we don't even know what the hell is this place, but then like everything is just too beautiful. Yep. And look at how clear the water is. Very clear.